10 mysterious facts about the moon that you didn't know. Hey, what's up, everyone? Today we're diving into a topic that's out of this world, the moon. Buckle up, because I've got 10 mysterious facts about the moon that will blow your mind. But before we start, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Number 1, lunar swirls. Imagine if you looked up at the moon and saw bright, twisty patterns on its surface. These mysterious swirls are real, and scientists are trying to figure out why they're there. They stand out against the moon's rocky landscape, and they're not like anything else we see in space. Some think they could be caused by magnetic fields or even interactions with the solar wind. But the truth is, we're still unraveling this cosmic puzzle. These swirls show us that even our closest neighbor in space still has secrets waiting to be discovered. Number 2, moonquakes. Imagine the moon, that big round rock in the sky, sometimes shakes like a giant's footsteps. These aren't like earthquakes on Earth. Moonquakes happen because the moon is cooling down and its surface is shrinking a little. When this happens, it causes the ground to crack and move, just like when you step on a dried out mud puddle and it cracks under your feet. Scientists have different types of moonquakes, shallow ones close to the surface and deeper ones that happen farther down. They use special equipment left behind by astronauts to study these quakes and learn more about how the moon changes over time. Moonquakes might not be as big as earthquakes, but they remind us that even in space, things are always moving and changing. Understanding moonquakes helps scientists understand more about the moon's structure and how it evolves over time. It's like peeking into the moon's history book to see how it formed and what it's made of. These tiny quakes also give clues about what astronauts might experience when they land on the moon again in the future. As we explore deeper into space, studying moonquakes teaches us not just about the moon, but about the universe beyond our planet Earth. Number 3, transient lunar phenomena. Imagine you're looking up at the moon on a clear night, and suddenly you see a strange flash or glow on its surface. That's what astronomers call transient lunar phenomena. These mysterious lights and changes have been observed for centuries, but we still don't fully understand what causes them. Some scientists think they could be caused by gases escaping from beneath the moon's surface, or maybe even small meteoroids crashing into it. Others believe they might be related to electrostatic discharges or reflections of sunlight in unusual ways. Whatever the cause, these phenomena add a touch of mystery and excitement to studying our moon. Scientists continue to study these events to unravel their secrets and learn more about the moon's dynamic environment. Understanding transient lunar phenomena is like solving a cosmic puzzle. Each observation brings us closer to understanding the moon's unique behavior and what might be happening on its surface that we can't see from Earth. It's a reminder that even our closest celestial neighbor still holds many mysteries waiting to be uncovered, keeping astronomers and scientists curious and eager to learn more about the fascinating world of the moon. Number 4, lunar water. Scientists used to think the moon was dry like a desert, but recent discoveries have surprised everyone. Turns out, hidden in the moon's polar regions are patches of ice. Yes, actual frozen water. How did it get there? Well, some scientists believe that water molecules from comets crashing into the moon long ago could have settled in these cold spots, staying frozen because they're shielded from the sun's heat. This discovery is super important because water on the moon could help future astronauts survive by providing drinking water and even making oxygen for breathing and fuel. Plus, studying lunar water helps us learn more about how water and life might exist on other planets or moons in our solar system. It's like finding a tiny oasis in the vastness of space, opening up big possibilities for exploration and maybe even colonization one day. Number 5, lunar libration. You know how the moon always looks like it's showing the same face to us? Well, that's not exactly true. The moon actually wobbles a little bit as it moves around Earth. This wobble is called lunar libration. It's like when you spin a basketball in your hand, you can see different parts of it as it spins. There are 2 main types of lunar libration: libration in longitude and libration in latitude. Libration in longitude makes the moon seem to tilt slightly back and forth, so we can see around 59% of its surface over time instead of just one side. Libration in latitude makes the moon appear to nod up and down, showing us parts of the north and south poles that we wouldn't normally see. So next time you look up at the moon, remember it's not just a flat circle, it's a dynamic world spinning and nodding in the sky. Number 6 is magnetic anomalies on the moon. Imagine certain parts of the moon having their own magnetic fields, kind of like invisible magnets under the lunar surface. Scientists discovered these magnetic anomalies using spacecraft and lunar missions. These areas don't match what we expected based on the moon's overall magnetic history, which raises big questions about how they formed. These anomalies could be leftovers from ancient times when the moon's magnetic field was stronger. Some think they might have been caused by volcanic activity or impacts from space rocks. Understanding these magnetic spots helps scientists piece together the moon's history and how it formed billions of years ago. It's like solving a big puzzle about our moon's secrets that that are hiding beneath its surface. Number 7. Lunar transient phenomena. Lunar transient phenomena are real and mysterious events observed on the moon's surface. These phenomena include sudden flashes of light or glowing spots that appear and disappear unexpectedly. Astronomers and space enthusiasts have documented these occurrences using telescopes and spacecraft. The causes behind these phenomena are not fully understood. Some scientists speculate they could be due to gases escaping from beneath the lunar surface, reflections of light, or impacts from meteoroids. These sightings continue to puzzle scientists and add intrigue to our exploration of the moon, highlighting that there's much left to discover about our closest celestial companion. Studying lunar transient phenomena is challenging because they occur sporadically and are brief in duration. Reports vary, describing instances like fleeting clouds of gas or brief glowing patches. These events raise questions about lunar geology and atmospheric interactions. Understanding these phenomena could provide insights into the moon's composition and its relationship with the broader solar system. So the next time you gaze at the moon, remember it holds mysteries that scientists are diligently investigating to unravel its secrets. Number 8. Moon's formation. Imagine this. Billions of years ago, a massive collision between Earth and another celestial body might have sent debris flying into space. This debris eventually came together to form our moon. Scientists call this the giant impact hypothesis. Another idea is that the moon was once wandering through space and Earth's gravity captured it like a cosmic catch. These theories try to explain how our moon, with its mysterious beauty, came to be our constant companion in the night sky. Understanding how the moon formed not only helps us appreciate its history, but also gives us clues about the early days of our own planet. Exploring the moon's formation is like piecing together a cosmic puzzle. By studying moon rocks brought back by astronauts and analyzing data from lunar missions, scientists have uncovered clues that hint at its origins. Yet mysteries remain. How did such a large moon form around Earth? Did it happen quickly or over a long time? These questions challenge scientists to keep exploring and discovering more about our celestial companion's incredible journey through space and time. Number 9. Moon's atmosphere. You might think planets like Earth are the only ones with atmospheres, but surprise, the moon has a super thin one too. It's called an exosphere, which is basically a really faint layer of gases. Unlike Earth's thick atmosphere that keeps us cozy and breathing, the moon's exosphere is so thin that its particles hardly ever collide. Instead, they just kind of float around, making it more like a ghostly veil than a real air blanket. Scientists are super curious about the moon's exosphere because it holds clues about the moon's history and even other planets and moons in our solar system. See, by studying what gases are in the exosphere and how they move, scientists can learn about space weather, how the moon interacts with sunlight, and even how our solar system formed way back in the day. It's like peeling back layers of a cosmic onion to understand what makes our moon tick and what secrets it might hold for our future explorations. Number 10. Alien moon-based conspiracy theories. Do you know those wild stories about secret bases or even aliens living on the moon? Well, they've been around for a long time. Some people believe that NASA and other space agencies might be hiding evidence of these bases or encounters. They point to blurry photos and strange shadows on lunar images as proof. But here's the thing. While these stories are super exciting to think about, scientists haven't found any real evidence to support them. NASA and other space experts have studied the moon for decades with telescopes, satellites, and even astronauts who walked on its surface. They haven't seen any signs of alien activity or secret moon bases. Most of those strange shapes in photos turn out to be rocks or weird lighting tricks. Scientists are always open to new discoveries, but for now, the idea of alien moon bases remains more science fiction than fact. And there you have it, folks. 10 mysterious facts about the moon that you probably didn't know. If you enjoyed this journey into lunar mysteries, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe. What other new mysteries should we explore next? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.